The Kingdom of Lesotho has a mountain to climb if it is convinced the upcoming SADC meeting about its progress or lack thereof regarding its national reforms process. With circulating allegations that Lesotho might be sidelined for failure to complete the reforms, we confront the Prime Minister to confirm or deny such allegations.
It is absolutely nonsense. It's not true. Lesotho has never been told. Summit is run by leaders of SADC member states, and no member state can say such a thing to another member state. We are a sovereign country. Our membership of SADC is a voluntary one. In SADC, we don't talk down to each other, we respect each other, and so such a thing cannot happen.
For Lesotho to reconvene the collapsed 10th Parliament, it will need to convince His Majesty the King that the kingdom is facing a national threat warranting the call of state of emergency.
I know there's a lot of people who are interpreting the constitution and saying, hey, the law doesn't really allow you to do this or allow you to declare a state of emergency. Yeah, if you read it literally, but the laws are written to support the people, and if stipulations in the constitution are not supportive to the interests of the people, then the same law allows us to find ways around it.
Majoro explains as to why Lesotho has no other option but to complete the reforms process ahead of the October 7th election.
Now, that model we learned from New Zealand, and New Zealand could tell us that we don't know the political affiliations of our PSs. They know that is within their own hearts. They don't have to tell us what it is. And in conducting their work, they must ensure that the recruitment of public servants is not at all political. Those are some of the few things that this reform package is doing. And it would be a shame not to do it. By the way, I'm probably the last Prime Minister enjoying so much power in recruitments. But imagine a new leader coming in, finding the reforms on the table, and the reforms are diluting the Prime Minister's power. How eager will that individual be to rush these reforms to pass? So that is a risk that we are taking if we don't pass them now.
All odds seem stacked against Lesotho to successfully complete the reforms process while simultaneously having to deliver credible national elections following a scathing court ruling ordering the IEC to redraw 20 constituencies to comply with the set legal quota. Rapelang Khatebe, SABC News, Masego, Lesotho.